digital era, antennas plays a crucial role of connecting seamless wireless communication. And also, because of the increase of more electronic devices, leads to significant increase in the electronic waste called e-waste. So, designing antennas using biodegradable material is very important. Usually, the antennas are designed using FR4 material, that is non-biodegradable material, or any synthetic type of materials. So, this will give also additional burden to the environment. So, in order to overcome this, most of the researchers concentrate on how to design an antenna using biodegradable materials. So, in this video, we are going to discuss this topic with our design thinking based approach. Let us discuss. Give a empathy part for this title. Yes.
Empathy part. So empathy is the first stage in design thinking, and empathy is nothing but to deeply understand the needs, problems, emotion of the people, and it also involves putting yourself in the user's shoes to uncover the real problems. Here the stakeholders analysis is to identify the users, manufacturers, and environmentalists. And the environmental impact assessment is to understand the ecological footprints of the traditional antenna materials and the manufacturing process.
So the define part?
So I'm going to give a define part. So define is basically a list of solutions for that problem statement. So here the problem statement is antennas often use non-recyclable materials, which leads to environmental concerns. So it's to develop codes for the antennas for both the high performing and environmental sustainability.
So next part? Idea.
So idea is the third stage in design thinking, and where we pick a single idea from a list of solutions. So materials exploration, consider materials like jute, paper, and biodegradable polymers for antenna substrates. Design concept is brainstorm antenna structures that can be fabricated using sustainable materials without compromising performance.
Very good.
Prototype. Prototype is nothing but a model, and here are the material testing. Using sample sustainable materials to like dielectric properties and mechanical strength. Antenna fabrication is nothing but develop some materials like using methods to 3D printing.
Myself, Yamila, I'm going to talk about the testing part. So it's the last stage of design thinking. So testing is the part where we test the prototype to get solution. So in antenna components, like we need to assess the gain, bandwidth, and efficiency of the antenna components. We need to evaluate the durability of the antenna components based on the environmental conditions, and we need to determine the biodegradability part and recyclability of the antenna components.
Very good, students. You have well discussed how to design an antenna, eco-friendly antenna using biodegradable materials, and you have started from define part and until the last stage of design thinking. You have contributed well and you have discussed very nicely. Thank you so much for your contribution.
Thank you.